Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your tools. You will need a 7mm socket with an extension or a T20 Torx bit. A long screwdriver can also work for some models. Make sure your truck is on a level surface, then park it about 10 feet from a flat wall. Now, let's prepare for precise aiming. With your low beams on, use masking tape to mark the exact center of each headlight on the wall. Next, measure down 2.5 inches from your first mark and create a second horizontal line. This lower line is your target. Finally, back your Dodge Ram up so it is precisely 25 feet from the wall. With your hood open, locate the vertical adjustment screw for each headlight. It's typically found through a small hole in the inner fender, above the headlight housing. Insert your 7mm socket or T20 Torx bit. Turning the screw clockwise will raise the headlight beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Adjust until the top of the low beam cutoff aligns with your lower tape mark. After adjusting, double-check that both headlight beams are evenly aligned with the lower tape mark. Remember, only vertical adjustment is typically available for these models. Be careful not to over-tighten the adjustment screws, as this can damage the internal mechanism. Take your Dodge Ram for a test drive at night to confirm your new headlight aim provides optimal visibility without blinding oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.